Hello everyone, this is Manoj and welcome back in my channel English Room. I hope you all are doing well in lockdown and you are healthy and you are learning a lot of English. So as you can see on the screen, today we are going to learn the use of was were. Yes, first I am going to compare the things with present and past. Yes, present. In present we use is mr. Yes, we use is mr in present, and m is replaced by was if we go in past. Yes, for past we use was. So let's make sentences. I am happy. I am happy. This is in present. Now I am going in past. So it will become in past I was happy. Now the second sentence, he is ill. In past I will say he was ill. Now third sentence, the weather is good today. The weather was good yesterday. You can see am is converted into was, is converted into was, and is again is converted into was. Now now come on are and were. We use are in present and we use were in past sentences. Like first sentence, you are kind person. This is, I am talking about the present condition, but if I say in past, you were kind person. See this thing, I have converted this are into were in case of past. They, now the second sentence is they are players. They were players in the past. Now third sentence, we are good at English. We were good at English. It means in the past we were good at English. Now let's come on next stage, how we have to use. Yes, how we have to use was and were. Let's see the subjects. In positive case, yes, in positive case we have to use was with I, with he, with she, with it, and one more thing, with any name, with any noun. Yes, and in the case of we, you, they, we, you, they, we will use were. Okay, now let's see the negative case. In negative case we will use was not and were not. The rule is same here as like positive cases. With I, with he, with she, with it, we will use was plus not, and with we, with you, with they, we will use were not. Yes, now let's see the example. You are not kind person. You are not kind person. I'm talking about present, in present, but if I will convert it in past, then it will become you were not. You were not. Yes, focus here. You were not kind person in the past. Yes, now the second sentence, the weather is not good today. The weather is not good today, and it will become the weather was. Yes, I'm converting it into was. The weather was not good yesterday. Now I hope you have got all the things in both of the cases. Now the third case, we have interrogative case. Yes, interrogative case. In interrogative case it means we have to make questions. Now we have, how can we make questions? First we have to put was and were at the beginning of sentence. Yes, put, and the simple rule is put was and were, then subject, then object. This is simple rule. Follow this rule and do not forget to put a question mark at the ending of the sentence. Put was, then this is same rule as positive case. We have to use I, he, she, it, name with was, and with in the case of we, you, they, we will use were. Now let's come again in next step, and the next step is sentences of interrogative case. First sentence is, were you present at Himanshu's birthday party? Yes. Yes. First I have used was, were, and after that is subject, and all the remaining part is object. And now the second sentence, were, this is were first, after that, after was, were, I have used subject, and now the last part of the sentence, it means other words. Now the fourth case we have to make the question is WH family case. Yes, WH family case, it means if I want to put why, where, how much, like these words, then it will become WH family case. See the rule of this case. First we have to put WH family word, then was, were, then subject, then object, and at the beginning of the sentence question mark. Yes. Now see the first sentence, why were you late? This is first sentence, why were you late, and the second sentence is, where was Manoj last week? WH family word, this is WH family word, this is was, and then subject and other words. Now the third sentence, how much, see this thing, WH family word, how much, then was, then subject and other words or noun. Now the fourth and last question sentence is, why were you angry at your friend that day? Why were you angry at your friend that day? So I hope you have got all the things. We have learnt how many things? Let me remind you. First subject, then was, were, first rule was are, were, first rule was subject plus was, were plus object. When I was using there am and is in present, and it was converting in was. Now then I learnt negative case, subject plus was, were, not plus object. Then I learnt question for making case, then I have to put was, were, then subject, then object, and last and final case was WH family words. I have to put then was, were, then subject, and then other words. So thank you so much for watching this video. Share and subscribe if you like it. Thank you so much.